share. I actually consider that storytelling. So when you are sharing, you're literally just telling a story, and whether you're telling that story through a photo or some plain text or a video or through the music that you're listening to, it's filled with emotion, it's filled with a message.
By connecting the world, people realize that there are other people in the world who have different lives than them, and that maybe their lives could be better, and then amazing things happen.
You want to do something big, and you have this access to 1.2 billion people. What can you do is just limited by your imagination.
Facebook's overall mission is to try to make the world more open and connected, so I think it's challenging but incredibly exciting as well.
Facebook isn't just some website, it's the next phase of communication.
I get up every day and know that the impact that I have at Facebook ends up impacting a really large portion of the world. You just can't get that at other jobs.
We also want to reach the rest of the people. We want to make sure that people who currently don't have access to internet, that they get that access, that they, whether they use Facebook or not, but that they get the information that they need to make their lives better.
It is a strengths-focused company, so whatever you're good at, you should shine in that field, and it allows you and pushes you to be yourself.
The sense of community here is amazing, and it's a sense of community outside of ourselves.
The people here are special, smart, sharp, humble, mission-driven.
I can, with hand on my heart, say I work with the smartest people in the world.